may not be here, but listen to me. Distance is not a barrier, but with the mercy of God on this mountain, I connect it to your life. You are receiving it in the name of Jesus. Brother, listen to me across the world. Today is the mercy day. I pray for you. Mercy will speak for you in the name of Jesus. Wherever you are hearing the sound of this voice. Mercy is locating you in the name of Jesus. I'm talking about a mercy. Mercy that liberated the life of Joseph. Mercy that liberated the life of Esther. Mercy that liberated the life of David. I declare that mercy will locate you in the name of Jesus. Listen, when mercy speaks, challenges will silence, causes will silence, any evil attack will silence. I connect that mercy to your life in the name of Jesus. Mercy of God will speak for your life. Jesus will begin to experience your divine interconnection in the name of Jesus. Divine connection will connect with you. Divine favor will favor your life in the name of Jesus. You are above every challenges.